Culture of excellence means that we have taken accountability and ingrained it in our daily habits.
Here we've decided that the minimum standard is just that, it's the minimum.
To us, that is the pursuit, I think, of perfection, the pursuit of excellence. We're constantly growing, constantly driving forward, constantly trying to be better than we were the day before.
We're a small department, small combination of a suburb of Tulsa. So having the firefighters that are on hand have to be that much better to do the job and to perform at the high level. So the culture of excellence actually started from one of our cadre, and during that, bringing the academy in-house, they decided that was going to be what we aimed for every single recruit coming in.
We strive to exceed that every day, and what that's allowed us to do is put our product at the forefront of what we do here. It's striving to be better than the minimum standard, because that's what the citizens expect of us.
I think when you're looking at trying to change a culture, it's important to take those old traditions that are part of the fire service, but you have to mesh them with what we need to do, which is the new culture and the new developments in fire service.
Consistency is the biggest advantage to the way that we train here. Everyone has trained the exact same way. Everyone knows what to expect, when to expect it, and how to do their job.
Go over to the garage. Probably hit it from the garage.
So one of the advantages of the academy is we had our May Day earlier in January. I have trained Driver Schultz, and I had trained both of the rookies in the back, so I knew exactly what they knew. They knew exactly what I knew. So we fought a 6,000 square foot house fire with 8 guys. I was able to do that with full confidence of the guys that I had on my truck, and they performed admirably.
There you go, bud.
Approximately 45 minutes into the incident, a mayday occurred where the second floor collapsed above the origin room of fire. 4 of our members were located in that area. 2 of the members went down, while 2 of the members, including myself, were readily available to make rescue. So I called the mayday out for them.
Right here. Mayday.
We knew what we had, and we knew that with our resources, we could effect the rescue pretty quickly. You know, from the point that it happened to the point that we were out of the structure was less than 4 minutes. And that ultimately ended up being the deciding factor of us walking away with that with our lives. There's an extreme sense of pride that comes with not only working for a fire department in general, but working for Jenks Fire Rescue. We are pretty much a small family.
We're real big on succession training. In fact, I told my crews the other day, I was like, man, guys, I'm training you so that one day when I'm not here, you can do exactly my job. I want them to be able to perform everything that I could do and better. And I think that and better is the most important part. I want those guys to enjoy what they do, be proficient at it, and have that same passion that I'm trying to pour into them.
Having these 2 new rigs in the fleet has made how effective we are significantly better. We purposely designed all the compartments on these trucks to have very specific needs. The rescue is a perfect example of that, where we have all of our vehicle extrication, all of our fire stuff, all of our medical, everything is organized with a purpose. That way when we respond, everything is centrally located. I think the citizens take pride in providing the department with high-speed apparatus. It shows the investment that they have into us, and what we've done is really shown them that that investment is worth what they've been giving.
When I first started, we only had 1 station, and since I got on, we've added station 2. We've built a new station. We have a plethora of new apparatus. The direction that we're going is positive.
We're seeing people on their worst day, and if we can make it a little bit better, having the training, having the resources, and just really just being there and willing to help someone, you know, on their worst day ever.
I hope that we portray that the sense of whatever you want to do can be accomplished.
The station's been in development for 10 plus years that we've been talking about it. So I think that's one thing, is just stay the course, stay steady in what you're requesting, be consistent in those requests, And the other thing is, I think, listen to your crews, listen to your captains, listen to your guys that have the boots on the ground. They have the best ideas, and if you give them the authority to implement those ideas, you'll be very successful. Every single level is all about executing it at a culture of excellence. So if we aren't at that excellence level, we're all striving to be better to get there.